is up, guys? It is Joe here from JoeTalksWrestling, and today I'm bringing you a brand new video. Now, what this video is today, guys, is I'm going to be teaching you how to make a budget, or, well, fix up a budget WWE Jakks Pacific Wrestling ring and turn it into a modern day Monday Night Raw ring. So, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so before I show the ring to you guys, I just want to tell you all that I am starting to, basically, I'm going to be picking up a few more WWE Elite figures and maybe like kickstart my collection again, considering when I was young I used to have loads and then I grew out of them for a time, but I've decided that if I buy them I can unbox them on the channel and make videos about them, and it's just quite a good idea in my opinion, so I'm going to do that. Now, basically guys, this Jakks Pacific ring, I don't know what it is, but you can literally buy them for less than £5 on eBay. I've seen them on eBay and Facebook shopping. Well, the cheapest I've seen them is for £2. So basically guys, I'm going to flip the camera around now so you can see what I'm talking about. This, guys, is the Jakks Pacific WWE figures ring. Now, basically, I don't know what it is, but let me tell you the story of how I got this. So back when I first started getting wrestling figures, I actually found this on a car boot for £1. So yeah, a car boot is basically a garage sale over here in the UK, so for all you American viewers. But basically, it's just a WWE Jakks Pacific ring. When I bought it, it didn't have any logos or anything, so I applied these all myself. Now let's get into the video and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, so first off, what you want to do, guys, is go on Google and search WWE Raw Apron 2017 and go on images. Scroll down until you see this image. Now what you want to do is copy that into a Word document and make it the right size. Now also search up WWE logo black background and find this logo and do the exact same thing. Okay guys, so once you've copied that over to a Word document, you need to resize it all to the accurate measurements so you can have it all accurate to what size you want the ring. So basically what you want to do for this, it's all trial and error really, but I've resized my apron and it's only in A4, so it doesn't go, like, it doesn't stretch wide enough for my apron because I printed it off in lengths instead of widths because I'm an idiot. But basically, after that, what you want to do next is just resize the turnbuckle pads so they can fit on your turnbuckles on your actual ring. So basically, guys, I'm about to cut out the parts that I've printed off so I can stick them onto my ring. Right, so I've printed out the parts I needed, and I'll see you guys when I've stuck them on. We're back to where we started from, guys. Now, you guys may be thinking that that was very brief, the explanation of it, but realistically, that's all there is to it. All you need to do is get the images, put them in a Word document, resize them, print them off, and stick them on. I've used double-sided sticky tape to stick image of the apron to the apron of the ring, and I use normal blue tack to stick on the turnbuckle like logos, and then I take them over it. So yeah, I'm just going to quickly give you an in-depth look of the ring now that it's complete. Here we go, guys. As I mentioned in the tutorial part of the video, I did print this off in like widths instead of lengths, as I should have done, or something like that. Basically, it was in A4 and I printed it vertically instead of horizontally, if that makes sense. So yeah, there we go. That's one side of the apron. Flip it round, you got the other side. Then we'll flip it again. Other one more time. That's that. Now we'll go into the actual ring itself. You can see the WWE logos on that side of the turnbuckles, that side of the turnbuckles, and so on and so forth. So that's basically it, guys. Do hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, be sure to give it a like, comment and subscribe. I've been Joe from JoeTalksWrestling. I hope you can all go and create a better ring than mine, most likely. And yeah, this tutorial, once again, it's just for the people that maybe can't afford to buy the new Elite scale ring, or they're just like me and just are pretty broke altogether and can't buy it. Anyways, guys, once again, thanks for watching the video. I've been Joe from Joe Talks Wrestling. You guys have been awesome, and stay tuned for more content. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.